I'm gonna tweet for as soon as we get in the door. I didn't forget. I got
The floors of the Black Friday sale.
We just
today.
we did. Okay, so I don't know how to explain this to you. Like, we did Black Friday on Black Friday. We did yesterday and the day before. Like, I'm done with this. Why do we have to keep doing Black Friday stuff?
Because there's another day of the week.
God, we're gonna be eating ramen noodles if we don't quit having all these sales. Here, hold this. Make yourself useful. All right, Black Friday sale all week long. E-Propulsion products. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cover the sales tax. Come in and order by the end of the week. We'll cover the sales tax for you. That way we can do one big giant order, have everything shipped here at once. No sales tax. We got you, boo. You good with that?
We got you.
I'm out. All right, I'll sweeten the deal. How about free e-propulsion stuff? We got koozies. You can get a t-shirt or a hat. Or hey, how about one of these little bag coolers?
I have a long shaft, but this one's a short shaft. We have all different kinds of shafts. Depending on what you need for your boat, we'll just measure your shaft and get you the right shaft here on Black Friday.